That Death Star. It's become a reality.
Yes, it has. The new scientists at NASA worked really hard.
That's what happened in NASA?
That is what happened to NASA.
Oh my gosh! Obama told me they just cut it! Switch!
Oh, I better prepare for the Gettysburg Address.
Leprechauns! Aside from werewolves and vampires, they are my least favorite mythical creature.
I have gold.
Well, if I just shoot you, I could take the gold anyways. Oh, I felt something lightly touch my arm. Oh, the ghost hunter's here.
Hi, you call the ghost? Oh, I can feel it! There's such a presence here! It's magnificent. Luckily, I brought my gun. Never crossed the streams.
How would you find it?
Well, first we use this. It's a cardboard box that I taped some numbers onto.
Switch!
Juicy learning episode with your friends Mango and Pineapple! Pineapple? We're learning about math. I was never good at math in school. Let's see if we can figure out what 1 plus 1 is. Oh, the juice! It's sticky! Is that a 3? I think you're saying a little wrong, Pineapple, you silly! I told you I failed math in high school!
Snug. You have been chosen. The royal guardians of the Viper. Now, leave your pole behind and you shall join us. Or you may stay here forever, a fisherman.
Switch.
So a shuttle for the Death Star is leaving in about a couple of seconds, so...
Well, let's get on it!
Yes.
All right, strap yourselves in. I'm so ready for this. Switch. My hat tingles.
See, Tinkerbell, you can fly!
A fairy. Next to vampires, werewolves, and leprechauns. Fairies are my least favorite mythical creature. Switch.
Oh, my psychic powers! They're over there! It's out there.
Go get it! We're in this house of evil!
Where is it?
It's over there!
I can feel it!
That young man switch!
So, Pineapple, what you're saying is that 100,000 millimeters is 100 meters? Well, actually, Mango, if that is your real name. I see you down there controlling the button. But anyway, a centimeter is actually 100, is that right? 100 of a meter. Oh, we just learned something really important. Be sure and tell your parents. Keep track of metric system and don't mix it up with the system in America.
Oh, a ninja is nothing without his bed. Now you must construct a bed out of snake skins. The soft skins will keep your back straight.
Ah, yes. Oh man, I'm starting to love being a ninja. Oh, this is better than fishing all the time.
So if you look really closely at the buttons that...
That one?
Oh,
That one?
stop!
That one?
budget that you approve.
A balanced budget. Next to vampires, werewolves, leprechauns, and fairies. I hate balanced budgets overall. None shall exist in this country. Switch.
All right, my friend. The only way to cleanse this house of this evil spirit
Yes.
is to burn it down.
Whoa! Whoa, no, dude! This thing is in California! Stop with the gasoline!
Are you ready? Do you want to do the honors? It's a match.
I don't want to burn it all.
It's contaminated you. You're covered in ectoplasm.
This is only one thing to do.
Do it. I'm just gonna leave the house and be safely out here.
Switch.
No, we're for our sponsors.
Hey son, what you doing?
I'm playing with this new toy, Dad. It's so awesome. It's called Zookable.
That sounds wonderful. I'm gonna buy that, and you should too.
Switch.
Your next test. I want to touch all the fish. All of them. You must let your past life go. No, I should embrace it. I'm going to become Fish Man.
That's arcade.